G'day everyone, it's Curtis here. Welcome to an On the Back Wheel off-road review. Today I'm taking out the 2023-24 Honda Africa Twin. It is the base model. We're in the Glasshouse Mountains, a bit of an off-road mecca for motorcycle off-road riding, and we're going to put this big girl through its paces. Alright, let's get stuck in. The bike is completely stock except for a center stand, which may be a hindrance. We'll see how we go. So stock including the tyres, which is no doubt going to be the biggest limiting factor today. I've turned off the ABS, which only turns off the rear. Traction control's off, wheelie control's off. We're in full power mode. My first video stuffed it up. I thought full bars was full power. It's the opposite way than you think. It's definitely got a bit more snap. I'm much happier with how it is. Yeah, it goes much better. Little bottom out there, little bottom out. Sand. Weight back. Yeah, pretty good. Whoa, feels pretty good, hey. For a big bike, feels really good off-road. Good first little hit out here. Your stock tyres are really good on the road, very limiting off it. For getting over stuff like this, you're not getting real traction. We got there though, and when it gets wet, they're terrible. If it's not wet, you'll get most places. Well, this kind of riding fine. The front can get scary, but overall not too bad. People have asked me how this feels balance wise and is it top heavy. I would say no, it is not. It feels very balanced. It's not like a T7. To look at the bike, it's pretty imposing and it looks like a big rig, and it is a big bike, but when you sit on it and you get going, it feels much smaller. Basic dirt roads, feels like this could do it all day. This feels like a fantastic mile leader. There we go. See how the suspension goes. Bit of a jump. Very good. Yes. Really good. Shane's going to lead the way in his 1290 Adventure R, which will give you an idea of the kind of riding we're doing. This is no joke. A little bit springy. Front ABS is working. Go on that side because he slid through. I'm a bit nervous these tyres, what we got there. Oh, up on the peg. Weight that inside peg. It's slippery, it's been raining recently. And as people local to the area know, Glasshouse can hold its water. Shane's like an A-grade motocrosser from back in the day. Still would be, I'd say. Oh, it's buggy. I'm just gonna go through it. Oh, it's deep. There we go, now it hardens up where he went through. This bike's pretty easy to handle. It's a big girl, but I find it pretty easy to handle. I'm used to riding big bikes though, so if you're coming from, say, an enduro bike, you're going to go, wow, this is a big bike, but once moving, it's okay. Hey! Alright, nice. Yeah, I definitely think the gearing, you could go shorter. Like I'm in second gear, which is very versatile, but third and fourth you don't really use until you're in the higher speed stuff, and you can do 100 easy in third. Down we go. Ground clearance is fan-bloody-tastic. Slippery red clay, everyone, on street tyres. Don't recommend it. Where are we gonna go here? It's pretty washed out, guys, from the bad storms. It was actually shut recently. So I'm going to need to slow down the rebound, I think. Up we go. Oh, be cold. ABS. This ABS, when the tyre gets remotely off the ground, starts to work, or when the front gets flighty. I don't know if that's a tyre issue as much as how the system actually works. I don't like it at all. It gives you that moment of, I'm not going to make it. When you have to make a split-second reaction, that can really stuff you. Yeah, ABS, just then, I'm not even braking, and when I touch the initial lever, you can feel it's working. Whether it's the street tyres actually spinning already on that deceleration, I'm not sure. This will be fun. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Could probably go a bit more on the preload. Whoa! The rear snuck right around me then. Yeah, could definitely go more on the preload. I'll come over. And down into there. Oh! That was not graceful, everyone. What we got there. Oh, switched out in the back. Second gear. Oh. That was my fault. Honda's gonna love me. It's all right, I uninstalled it. All right, dug itself into the ground, the big heavy girl. Oh, I nearly busted my ring trying to lift that. Cycle it. It has a tip over sensor. See if cycling it has worked. Beautiful, let's try again. Yeah, no dramas. My fault. Something like that I don't mind. But this is Honda's bike, guys. I don't think they're going to appreciate me trashing it. Oh, this is where it might get a bit serious. Which way do we go, Shane? Just straight up. Yeah. Oh, that ABS. ABS just kicks in all the time in the front. Gives you the shits. Look at this, guys. Super view probably won't show it, but this is up there. Up in the pegs. Keep it steady. Oh yeah. Let the bike do the work. Alright, this is enduro bike stuff now. Where are we going to go, Shane? He's gone up the left. I will do the same because I think I'll slip out coming up that right hand side. Okay, we're having to turn around because that up there, I'd love to see someone go up it on a 302 stroke or something, but we're not going up there. So not going up there, we're going to have to turn around, come back. Here's a big deal. Come back and go down here. Now this is going to be a real test, guys. This bit's fine, just a downhill. That uphill over there could be fun. Oh, nice, Shane. Handled that well. It could have easily went over the edge. Oh, not as graceful as Shane. Woo! Got there. Alright, he went that way. I've got to go that way, right? That's how it works. Beautiful. Let's hit up the power lines. Bit more flowy this section. Not as technical. Still gotta have your wits about you though. That was the center stand there you heard, guys, just clattering a bit. I have a love-hate relationship with center stands, a lot of hate. This one seems pretty good though. Yeah, handled that well. That was a big hit. This kind of stuff is an adventure bike's bread and butter, isn't it? Sharp rocks, Oh, deflection. How good is this? Perfect. Liking the grunt. We'll go this way, something different. Watch the tree roots. Yeah, nice. We're just exploring. Just doing typical adventure boat riding. And really enjoying ourselves, to be honest. It's the tree, Curtis. Thank you. Oh, big hit. Handled it okay. So the fueling in the most aggressive map at times is a bit jerky on the on-off kind of situation there. Oh, big sand section. Way back. Yeah, it's kind of throws you around a bit in first and second. Not ideal, to be honest. It's not bad. Like, I'm not, certainly wouldn't put me off on the bike or something like that, but it's worth mentioning. Some other bikes certainly do that better. Good section. Which way are we going to go? Slips back on itself. Nice. Well done, Shane. Smooth. Yeah, see that? Bit jerky. Just throws you off balance a little bit. My thoughts so far is the big girl is eating everything up. No issues. The ground clearance is a big boon. Because some of this stuff, it's not hard, but my v-strom's a bit fat and wide. It can catch you out and you get caught. Oh, a big stick in the foot. This track's amazing. Oh, that was way bigger than I thought. I wouldn't say the front is super compliant. Got a lot of adjustability left in it. It's a bit springy. Here we go, very boggy. Thank you, you're right. Yeah, nice. Alright, my turn. Well, the front went on me, but we got there. It wasn't pretty. When you're riding with these tyres, a lot of stuff you do isn't pretty. Back into the tricky stuff. Feeling really good on the bike, comfortable. Kind of get your eye in after an hour or two, don't you, of riding. Oh. Perfect. I will say this, guys, she's a bit to turn around. That is, yeah, no doubt about that. She's a bit to turn around. So I'm just walking back to Shane. Check he's all good. This will give you a good idea of the conditions though. Washed out, rutted, lots of fallen trees here. Pretty technical on a big bike, it's tiring. How's all the trees? Yeah. Oh, my bad, my bad. There we go, square it up. Up we go. Yeah, there we go. Oh yes. Oh, that's wet. That's really wet. It's all muddy. Oh. Oh, that's really slippery, guys. Recycle it. Oh, broke the lever. Are you kidding me? Damn it, time to buy a new lever. That's why you put handguards on, everyone. The smallest, slowest off of all time. Which way do we go, Shane? Through the guts? This road's turned into a bit of a nightmare, this track. I struggle to get everything through. Here we go. Come on, big rig. Oh, not me. Not getting through. Well, only one way to do that. Hey. Yes, it screw just pops out the screw. Does that happen? Thanks, mate. No worries, bud. Have a good ride. Let's get out of here. Oh boy. Well, this has been a thorough test. Nothing's really surprised me in that needs better handguards, you know, snap the lever with the smallest of drops in, needs better tyres, but I'm getting everywhere. You just get sketchy, that's all. The engine's about right where I'd like it to be. Now it's in full power mode. Still a bit too tall geared, but overall I really enjoy the motor. Suspension after adding that preload in is very good. I just need to slow down that rebound a little bit now, maybe add a bit of compression, and I think it'll be pretty spot on. You know, it's not perfect, but I'm gonna be honest, it's better than I thought it would be. Okay everyone, that is it for my off-road Africa Twin review. Gotta say, I'm very impressed with the bike. The ground clearance and how narrow it is fantastic. Some of the stuff today, it is definitely not designed for, but we got through it all really in the end. Not too hard, like I was struggling, but I'm here. I'm gonna start heading home. If you like the channel, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, guys, and keep it on the back wheel. Catches.